Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do a really quick, simple, easy, really effective design just using dragging motions and a dotting tool. Enjoy! So I'm not going to use a background or a base colour, I'm going to leave it so that you can see your nail underneath. And I've got 4 colours. I've got Amethyst Fall, Glastonbury Nights, Nightshade and Hocus Pocus. And I've popped a little bit of them in the palette ready for me to load my brush up. So I'm going to start off with the lightest colour, which is Amethyst Fall. And I'm going to just drag the colour down. Doesn't matter where it goes, just dragging the colour down. Clean my brush off. I'm going to go in with Glastonbury Nights, so I'm going from light to dark. Pop that in the middle. I'm not touching the other colour that I've put on, just kind of going in the middle. Pop that onto the lamp for 10 seconds please. I'm just going to flash cure that. I've cleaned my brush off. Now I'm going to use Nightshade, really dark purpley. Thought it was blue but it's definitely not. Just in between them colours. I've seen quite a few of these designs and I really like them. And it's good if you're not very good at art, just layer up colours. Pop that under, another 10 seconds please. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that lighter colour. I think this design will work really well, just layering the colours up. Just however you want them. Adding a bit more there. And a little bit of glitter. Drag it through. Just at random. And then using a dotting tool, I'm going to use Glastonbury Nights. This colour is beautiful. Pop in some random dots. Pop that onto the lamp and we're going to cure for 30 seconds and the whole nail will be completely set. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat and just seal that design in. And I think this design would look really cute if you used, say, the Glastonbury Nights on the rest of the nails, maybe did 2 like this as accent nails. It look really cute. Pop that under, 60 seconds please. And I'm going to rehydrate that nail. And there you have a really quick, easy, simple design using 4 colours, a dotting tool and 1 brush. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and all the products are listed below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!